one of the easiest ways to show love for one another. And Megan Jensen is back to share one more craft idea that you can help to create and foster connection with family as we lead up to Valentine's Day. Megan, these are cute and we love them. You're calling them the kindness mailbox.
Yes.
Tell us about this concept.
Yes, so we started this just, again, when my kids were really little. I have always loved Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
I just love, and I feel like people have strong polar opinions on Valentine's Day, and I'm like, no, I'm not talking about the romantic side, although we do love that side. I'm talking about spreading love in our homes, in our communities, like just finding ways to spread love. And this is such a simple way to do that in your home. You just simply get a mailbox. You can get ones like this or that are like $1. They're so cheap. It's not an investment. Or you can get ones that you put together yourself and you simply write notes of love and, you know, spread words of affirmation within your family.
I love this concept. I've said love so many times today, but that is the feeling that we have in the studio today. You know, I used to thrive in elementary school and you got to decorate your own like boxes for Valentine's card. This is a simple way of doing this at home. And you're saying you just give these and then you just give the kids stickers, and what else do you let them put on it?
Yes, so the only thing I did to it was add their name using my Cricut, but you could use a marker or whatever. And then I give them the stickers and I let them go to town, and I suck up my perfectionist in me that's like, don't do that or make it look a certain way. I let them make it completely theirs.
Thank you for saying that. To all the moms, we can just let this go. Even though it's hard, we just let them decorate the mailbox. It's so great. And you're saying even the little kids that maybe can't read or write, they can draw pictures. They can color a picture. What do you guys do?
Yes, all of the above. So many times, like with my 3-year-old, they actually saw me pulling these out this week and they're like, the mailboxes are back. And they started writing like little drawing pictures. They do all sorts of things. They will make little, like they had the tape, they were making me little presents to put in it. This is actually the first year my kindergartner can even write. So I finally got some that say like, I love you, Mom. And it's so sweet. But if they can't write, they can put little drawings in. It's so sweet.
And whatever it is.
Whatever
that's
they want.
Megan, all these ideas, we love them so much. Where can people follow along with you?
Yeah, on Instagram, follow me at Megan Hill Jensen, and we're doing all sorts of simple, fun kids activities that bring you together.
Such a fun follow. I can't wait. Thanks so much.